It's Sunday, July 5th, 2020, a Sunday, and you can see some of our students doing a Black Lives Matter honking event.
Miss Meredith, she's the university archivist.
Oh,
So
what a
she
good